everybody, Mrs. BG here at NNL East. This is just one of the vendor rooms. Totally awesome. I will take you on a tour here and we'll see what there is to buy. All right, let's see what we've got here. There are so many vendors. It's absolutely crazy. Oh, that Ventura Sprint's kind of cool. Let's see. The Dodge little wagon. Lots and lots. Oh, I kind of like this guy. That looks fun. Lots of great kits on this table. I wonder how many Mr. BG will look at when we review video and go, "Ooh, I wanted that." All right. Lots of fun stuff here. Oh, the Alpine Renault. I like those cars. They're awesome.
Half of the cars that I think are great, they wouldn't fit.
Yep, my husband has the same problem. At 6'7", there's a lot of cars he doesn't fit in.
Oh, Lord, no.
All right, let's get the background commentary. Oh, we've got a couple of Johan kits. Emergency police wagon, police pursuit car. Wow, that is a lot. Oh, look at that. The fire rescue ambulance. I know that was a much wanted kit for a few people in the not too distant past, but lots of awesome kits here. Gremlin. Let's see. Get around here. Oh my gosh. Definitely got some shopping to do when I get done filming. Oh my goodness. I think there's model kits as far as the eyes can see. This is absolutely crazy. Lots of great kits. Get around here. Oh wow, look at all the big rigs. Goodness gracious, that's fun. Huh? Ghostbusters car. I know that's one of Ryan's favorites. Let's see here. Cars, 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 as far as the eye can see. And if I sneak in front of you? Thank you. All right, good grief. So many options. This is just nuts. To say that this could be overwhelming is probably an understatement. This is awesome. A couple of the Volkswagen buses there. All kinds of kits. It's fantastic. All right, we got more fun stuff over here. Cute cars, some models here. Get a quick view. Sneak around. Awesome. Oops. Sorry, guys. Got bits and bobs galore over here. Tires, engines, Mopar. Oh, there's a couple of Avantis. I like the Avantis. They're fun kits. Volkswagen stuff. Just all kinds of fun stuff.
Oh, really?
And then boxes in the bottom.
That's a cool guy. It's a cool guy.
Hi!
Hi.
And this is Ken Katz.
Yes. How do you know that?
It's on your name tag.
Oh wow, gosh.
I'm Mrs. BG with BG's Model Workshop, just
Hi,
doing some
Miss BG.
filming. So you can
Hi.
say hi to the YouTube crew. Let's see what we got here. Awesome vendor tables. You guys are great.
Some vintage kits.
Yeah, lots of vintage kits. Awesome. Thank you.
Enjoy the show. Good luck today.
Thank you. All right. right, more stuff. Gosh,
First time ever, yeah. You got me.
I believe there's a whole nother room. So there's lots of stuff. Oh, look at all these fun Shelbys, Mack trucks, big rigs.
Need help digging anything else? Let me know.
All right.
These are
Got some resin kits.
yeah, 25.
More fun kits down below.
I want to have more of them, but ain't out of time.
Lots of kits. Oops, somebody's digging for a John Deere tractor. That's pretty cool.
I'll be around.
A Lotus. See if I can do this okay. Whoops, I'm behind you. There you go.
All right.
Nice to meet you. Got a drink for you.
It's of Decals, Decals, whatever your preferred naming is. Some more awesome kits. Oh, next vendor over. Got the cool London bus. Some big kits there. Bunch of NASCAR. That's a Benetton Ford, looks kind of cool. Lots and lots of awesome kits. My goodness. Ooh, Revell flat packs, like those. Tamiya's, GT40s, Nissan 370Z, like those. Let's see here. No. Oh my God, I think I have found Brian's car. Holy crud. I think the Black Cider is one of his Grail kits. I gotta, maybe it's not that one, but maybe it is. I'm gonna have to give him a call. All right, we'll get some more video here. What do we got? So many awesome kits. The hard part is the rare kits are expensive, so, but that's all right. Still really cool to see all the fun kits. Whew. Need to win the lotto, I think. Alright, what do we got here? We got some more Decals. Some interesting kits. That Daytona's pretty cool. That DB3S is neat. I am not familiar with these kits, but woo! I need a second job to shop here. It's alright. It's awesome. Lots of great kits. Sorry. Ah, you're okay.
Hey, it's been a while. Yes, what's going on, sir? I should have known.
Oh boy, more resin kits. And 3D printed. I'm gonna assume. Great stuff here.
Guy in Germany.
Jimmy Flintstone's here with some of his resin kits. Shift knobs, all kinds of fun stuff. More resin kits. Very awesome. Wow, this is some really awesome resin stuff.
Yeah, he has some really cool stuff here.
Yeah, they do. All right, got some more kits here. There we go. That's a really cool kit there. More Corvettes. Really great stuff. Some large scale. Large scale kits are cool, but shelf space when they're built is a little interesting. Really cool. Stuff. Let's see if I can get in here and get a few of these for you guys. It's famous Ford kits. I like those. Got a few more. You're okay. You're fine. Lots of great vintage kits here today. Excuse me, sorry, you're okay.
I'm sorry.
You're all right. All right. So much fun stuff. Oh my gosh. A couple of ladies. Some more kits. He's got a few more down below. Some more kits and then some aftermarket accoutrements. Ooh, one of my favorite kits. Probably couldn't see me point to the 330 P4. All right, what do we got here? Some great aftermarket stuff. Detail Master stuff. A few more things over here. A couple of walls of aftermarket stuff. Just take a quick peek. It's a little busy here today, so at least you can see a little bit. More kits. More stuff over here. Oh my goodness, Johans. Nice. Let's see what we got. Kits there. Some more aftermarket stuff. Video. Alright, got some nice photo etch. Bunch of different things here. Splash paints. Very nice. Scale Motorsports. Some displays. Those are always awesome. Faux fabrics, textured spray paint. And some more decals.